The Guardian Ad Litem program was created in 1983. We're a program that advocates for abused and neglected children that fall into the court system by no fault of their own. What occurs is when these children fall into these situations of abuse and neglect petition being filed against the parents in a civil court, the judge assigns a Guardian Ad Litem volunteer, which is a trained citizen that goes through our 30-hour training, and teams that volunteer, that citizen, the child advocate, with an attorney. We have 4 attorneys that advocate for our children in our court system. And those 2 teamed up with the child advocate going in the community, gathering information, what's going to be in the best interest of the child, and the attorney take that information and goes to court and argues the case, what's going to be in the best interest of the child. How the volunteers help the judge in the courtroom. The judge cannot get off the bench and go see over 700 children themselves. So what happens is we have trained advocates to attend different meetings in the community, such as the school system, to see what's going on with the child educationally, talking to the child directly, seeing their wishes and their wants, and making sure available resources are in place that the child may need to help them educationally as well as mentally and physically. Well, definitely, you know, the demands for the Guardian Ad Litem program has grown throughout the years. It's safe to say in 2003, we had maybe 310 child abuse and neglect children in our caseload. It's 2016, and we have 722 as of this time of children that need Guardian Ad Litem child advocates. We definitely have volunteers on cases. We have 140 volunteers at this point in time. So definitely we have probably about 70 children that needs the child advocate assigned to them to assist them with permanence. The first step is definitely contacting our office, cumberlandcountygal.com, and completing the application with us. And once we process that application, we will call for an interview. And it's an extensive background check that is done, and it's wonderful to say only the best of the best citizens are chosen to be Guardian Ad Litem child advocates for the children here in Cumberland County. We would be glad to have more child advocate volunteers to assist us in helping children find permanence. It's one of the precious things that we have. Our most valuable resource is the children that we serve. And Guardian Ad Litem, definitely at the end of the day, our ultimate goal is to give that child the opportunity, a chance at life. And the best way to do that is provide permanence for them.